Do you believe that baking can make people happier? Hello, my name is Sanchiro, a food aficionado. Today I would like to share two stories of my friends who were distressed before coming to baking with me, and they become happier after baking. So, first story is my junior coming to visit me in Japan. He has been here for several months, but he was struggling and distressed with adapting himself to new environment and new culture. So I invite him over my house to come and try something new, baking. As we are making egg tart, very easy one, he put his heart into the baking and keep focusing on the task. And as the process proceed, he keep focusing only on baking process. As we finish baking, I am happy to see him happy because he was having that egg tart that we make, and he somehow relieved his stress from his concerns. Another of my friends, she has never baked before, but she said she likes to eat what I bake and she would like to try to help me. So I invited her to help me bake the bread, and she enjoyed every process from preparing, mixing, proving, waiting, and of course baking. Every process we need to focus on the task, and she put her heart into it too. And once she saw the result of her effort, she's so happy to see that. Baking is a kind of creative activity. You need to keep focusing on the task. At the same time, you can enjoy the process of making something, creating something fun and delicious. It's relaxing and therapeutic that I wish you can try once. If you would like to have a baking mates, please press like to my page or subscribe to my channel, and I will be your baking companions.